Are these tiny seeds the key to better health? What's up everyone, and welcome to Medicine and Health Info MK. It's great to have you here. I've noticed a huge trend lately. Everyone's adding seeds to their dry fruit mixes, but which seeds are actually worth it? It seems like every day, there's a new superfood on the block, and it can be hard to separate hype from truly nutrient-dense choices. Are you just adding empty calories, or upgrading your snack game for better health? Today we're cutting through some sons, maar overmight aan maker de negen salts en stands, digitary kansen nates, de dit nine stopper deze sapra janser. All day Joyce, I'm giving you my top 6 seeds and their key benefits, in 5 minutes, the essentials only. Let's get into it. First up, the tiny but mighty chia seed. You'll see them in puddings and smoothies for a reason. They're rich in omega-3s, especially ALA, vital for brain health and reducing inflammation. Chia's exceptional fiber forms a gel that supports digestion and regularity. That gel boosts satiety, helping you feel full longer for weight management. Add a tablespoon to yogurt or a dry fruit bowl to curb cravings. Antioxidants protect your heart, gut, and cells from damage. Next, pumpkin seeds, pepitas, are mineral powerhouses. Magnesium supports energy, muscles, and healthy blood pressure. Zinc aids immunity, skin, hair, and supports men's prostate health. They bring plant protein for recovery and steady energy. Plus, antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Their tryptophan, with zinc, supports serotonin and melatonin for better sleep. Nutty, crunchy. Snack them or add to salads. Flax seeds shine with unique lignans, powerful phytoestrogens. They help balance hormones and may ease menopausal symptoms. They may also support lower risk of some hormone-related cancers. Rich in ALA, flax supports heart health, blood pressure, and calmer arteries. Key tip: grind them. Whole flax often passes through undigested. Their fiber mix regulates blood sugar and promotes regularity. Use ground flax in smoothies, oatmeal, or as an egg substitute. Sunflower seeds are packed with vitamin E for skin protection. Vitamin E defends against UV and pollution, soothing irritation. B vitamins convert food to energy without the sugar-caffeine crash. Healthy fats and phytosterols help lower LDL and support your heart. Selenium plus vitamin E forms a potent antioxidant team. Enjoy raw or roasted, choose unsalted, and add to salads or mixes. Sesame seeds deliver serious bone support. Unhulled are rich in calcium, magnesium helps you use it effectively. Sesamine and sesamoline add antioxidant, anti-inflammatory power. They may support liver protection and healthier blood pressure. With healthy fats, sesame can help lower LDL production. Use as seeds or tahini. Nutty flavor, lovely crunch. Hemp seeds, hemp hearts, stand out for complete protein. They contain all 9 essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. A near-ideal 3-to-1 fatty acid ratio supports an anti-inflammatory state. Good for joints, heart, and long-term health. GLA may help eczema, psoriasis, and hormone-related PMS symptoms. No grinding needed. Easy to add to salads, smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. A simple way to add complete protein, healthy fats, and key minerals. So, there you have it, 6 incredible seeds to level up your health. Chia, pumpkin, flax, sunflower, sesame, and hemp. Chia for fiber and omega-3s, pumpkin for magnesium and zinc, flax for lignans and heart support, sunflower for vitamin E, sesame for bones and sesamin, and hemp for complete protein. Don't pick just one. Use a variety for a fuller nutrient spectrum. A spoonful in cereal, a smoothie, or on a salad is all it takes. No drastic changes, just small, consistent upgrades. Support your heart, your gut, your brain, and more. I hope this quick guide was clear and helpful. If it helped, like and subscribe to Medicine and Health Info MK for more. We bring you evidence-based, practical tips you can use. Hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. We're all on this health journey together. Every small step counts. Tell us in the comments which seed you use or want to try. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.